Okay, I've got this figured out. This is a swivel bearing in here, so it's supposed to do that. The shaft going through was extremely worn down, and this hole, the hole that it goes through, had been reamed out. It had been run very loose for many years, and so it just caused significant damage. And there was a wear on this tapered pin as well. So I knocked the tapered pin out, and I spun it around 180 degrees, and I knocked it back in. And that solved the problem. I mean, I could have taken both the pieces off and taken them to a machine shop and spent a lot of money, but instead, I knocked the pin back 180 degrees out, and it's holding everything steady. So I'm good with that, and I'm gonna keep going.